Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas of stylish metalwork designs. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most trendy, stylish metalworking, beautiful projects, stylish decor ideas, beautiful decoration designs and ideas. Every types of metalworking you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about metalworking, about woodworking. You can decorating your room, your lounge, your home and your office with beautiful and attractive woodworking and stylish metalworking. You can easily make these very beautiful projects if you know stylish woodworking and beautiful metalworking. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful projects, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive stylish metalworking? Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another, beautiful and attractive. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.